I got this VEVOR hard airbrush. It comes with 3 different bristles that you can easily take on and off. This first bristle here is like if you use a regular brush, it's got the regular brush bristles. This is if you want to have a little bit of lighter bristles but still get a good brush in. And also this is the same size and thickness. But if you want to do your hair curlier with like a smaller barrel, you would probably use this one. But let me show you how it works. So you clip on the desired barrel that you want. It has a couple settings on here. The first one being 0 off. The second one shooting cold air, which is the C right here. Then you have speed 1 and 2. Now these buttons here can either help you spin either to the right or the left, making it easier to dry and comb your hair at the same time. So let me show you how it works. This would be the cold air here. Now if you want to move into like a hot air first setting very low, it would be this one here. You can feel it getting hot already. And then if you need to dry your hair quicker, you can go with the higher speed and you can start twisting it either left or right.